Somewhere in the lush, outback countryside, there is a house made of stone and brick abandoned for 20 years, a place hidden by the lush surroundings of the Australian arid bushland, this decayed, weathered old home claimed by Mother Nature and set back from the bygone era. So come with me as I explore this abandoned old farmhouse. I will take you through room to room as we see what is left behind. A home taken over by decay, it still has many interesting features, forgotten left in a time that once was. Although I don't know the history of this old home, I will do my best to search for answers as to why it stands alone, derelict and forgotten. Welcome guys, welcome to another episode of Werner's Adventures. Here we are, another abandoned farmhouse. Let's have a look at this one. See what's left behind. She looks quite cool. How do we get into this one? We might have to walk around here. Okay. Wow, that looks quite cool. Alright. I wonder if we can get in. Let's have a look. I don't really like climbing through windows. I'm getting too old for that. So let's see if there's a door open. Wow, that's cool. Look at that. There's the old light up there. This one is quite eerie. Right, here's a pantry. Right. Yeah, this one's got a very, very eerie vibe to it. I can't put my that's all spider webs through there. Right. Here's the kitchen. Wow, look at the old oven. Right. We'll see what's over here. Ah, here's the bathroom. Here's the bathroom. Yeah, I'm going to be in here very, very quickly, guys. I'm just getting a really, really eerie vibe. It's like I'm here with Pocket Watch and Heather, but they're outside. I'm in here, and it's, I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, but yeah, it's just giving me an absolute eerie vibe. So I'm going to be quick. I really don't feel comfortable in here. I think that goes to the outside. Yeah. Yeah, it's right. Just going quickly to some of these rooms and there's an old light there. Look at that old phone. This is a big farm, this one. Here's another room. Look at that wind just blowing through there. The roof's very, very spongy in here. Just so much decay. Looks like that roof's been leaking. Okay. Wow, lounge room. Wow. Look at that crack up there. I'm seeing this up here. All right. Bit of tongue and groove. Okay. So this is the last room and it's quite dark. That door's locked. Oh, gee. Wow, it's really, really dark in here. Yeah, I really don't feel comfortable in this place. Probably gonna get out of here because I don't feel comfortable. All right, well, I think we've seen it all, so let's go outside and do the outside. Yeah, we've seen all this. Oh, I didn't see that though. Look, there's a... That will turn the light on.
The only thing that remains.
All right, we'll see you on the outside. Yeah, guys, yeah, there was just something about this old home. I really didn't feel comfortable in there, so here we are on the outside of it. It's a nice looking old home, but yeah, I did not feel comfortable. I could not wait to get out. So what do you think? Is there someone in here still guarding the place, looking after it? Okay, well,
we'll make our way back over to the sheds maybe and have a look over there. All right, guys, well, that's all we got time for today. It is getting late and I'm going to go home and have some tea. So it will be dark in about 20 minutes. So I hope you liked this one. It was a cool place, but yeah, I really did not feel comfortable in there. So we'll see you on the next one, wherever that may be. Thanks, guys. Peace out.